to get up and tackle the day, my friend. That was a phenomenal save. Thank heavens the bulldozer showed up just in time. Perfect teamwork. 100 points all the way. This must be the quickest way to cool down. Heart-stopping moment on Teton Pass as Arnold Kortmacher drives a 58,000-pound truck at 60 miles per hour and slams the brakes. Thankfully, the system worked perfectly. Can you believe that landing? The FA-18 Super Hornet came in hot, and that slip just added to the drama. What a move. Is he filming a movie or something? He really thought going backward was a good idea? That could have gone south real fast. Check out these powerful beasts supporting each other in the snow. It's truly awesome to watch. Uh-oh, I think he just figured out he's heading the wrong way. It's amazing how having reliable teammates can turn a tricky situation around just when you need it most. What a stunning fall pathway. The colors are absolutely breathtaking. Nature's very own masterpiece. Komatsu is a beast of a machine. If you're driving it, be ready to handle some serious weight, my friend. Looks like that tire coming off is the main reason why this truck is stuck here.
Socorro!
That moment when your heart skips a beat, seeing a camper trailer swing into the opposite lane like that, could have been a catastrophe. Props to the truck driver for keeping it together.
Okay, it's okay, he's okay, he's okay. You just pay.
What an epic recovery. That massive dump truck was buried deep, but those two big wheel loaders pulled it out like pros. Impressive teamwork. Smoothest rescue ever. The Volvo A25 woke up like a charm. Such a smooth maneuver. It's clear this driver knows exactly what they're doing after years on the job. That giant beast is coming closer, oh my goodness. Now that's an oversized, not oversized load. How long do you think this truck has been stuck here? In a dramatic moment, a garbage truck caught fire when hydraulic fluid sprayed onto the exhaust from a burst line. Fortunately, the fire was short-lived, and the driver is completely fine. The skill of these operators is evident. No trouble at all handling those large rocks. This video highlights the stark contrast between the beauty of natural resources and the sometimes archaic methods used to process them. Mahogany is a prized hardwood, yet this sawmill lacks the precision and efficiency of modern equipment. The manual handling of logs is not only labor-intensive, but also increases the risk of damage to the wood. Investing in updated technology would be a wise move for this operation. Kudos to the fearless driver. The oil tank made things tough, but his bravery and handling were exceptional. Instead of a hero, he seems like just a goofy guy on the beach. Introducing Poshleet's cutting-edge peeler. Designed with safety and convenience in mind, it effortlessly transforms logs for optimal use. This high-quality machine guarantees seamless operation, streamlining every step, even pointing. Featuring an adjustable feed, operators can tailor surface quality for swift results. With impressive N9 run speeds per minute, it effortlessly handles logs up to 15 cm in diameter. Plus, its built-in push fan automatically removes processed chips, simplifying the entire peeling process. Trust me, with this machine, peeling becomes a piece of cake. The whole tree harvester is simply mind-blowing. Watching this colossal machine devour the entire forest in seconds is nothing short of awe-inspiring. It's like watching rows of wheat being effortlessly harvested. Incredible. Get ready to be amazed by the Cambio 800, a heavy-duty, high-speed debarker that's changing the game for sawmills worldwide. With its ability to handle logs of all sizes, including those up to 795mm in diameter, this machine is a powerhouse of efficiency. Its triangular feed works and carbide-tipped debarking tools, powered by compressed air, ensure top-notch results every time. Plus, with a maximum feed speed of 120 meters per minute and a robust rotor motor of 75 kilobars, it's as powerful as it is reliable. Witnessing the Cambio 800 in action is nothing short of breathtaking. It's revolutionizing the industry, one log at a time. With the assistance of the Caterpillar DR6 bulldozer, the heavy-duty truck carrying hundreds of tons of timber effortlessly conquers the muddy incline. Truly powerful. There it goes, a 25-ton excavator loader taking a dive. Thankfully, no one got hurt in the process. Watch as hundreds of 10-meter bamboo poles scatter across the road from a truck, impaling another vehicle. Amazingly, no injuries have been reported. Meet the Caterpillar, a machine that doesn't miss a beat in any work scenario. These bulldozers are no lightweights as they get onto the trailer, showcasing their massive weight.
That's good.
This car appears to be very interested in the roadwork. Luckily, everyone is safe. A truck leaning on the road. Perhaps this is the driver's way of turning corners. Good thing his driving skills are solid. The way this timber truck driver handles turnarounds is superb. No questions asked. Is this impressive skill or merely the obstinacy of the tractor driver? Two skidders, a shear, and a dozer all got stuck. We tried the dozer first because it was nearby, but had to call in the trackhoe to free it. The recovery attempt with lethally thin wires for the logging truck was a fail, but fortunately, no one was injured. Creating your own path is always a smart move when facing trouble. This Praga 5.3S is way more powerful than we thought. The red tractor is pulling with every ounce of power it has left. The Praga 5.3S really stands out when it comes to logging in rough terrain. A fantastic choice for any off-road tasks. He didn't realize how much that rock could destabilize everything, but luck was on his side. Observe the step-by-step rescue of an excavator trapped in deep clay. A week later, it's working like new. Meet the Senebogen 718 E-Material Handler for tree care, your ultimate ally for demanding projects. Whether it's landscape maintenance on bustling streets, fuel timber harvesting, or precise pruning near power lines or forest paths, its maximum reach of 0 to 13 meters makes it the perfect partner for any task.
Talk about jaw-dropping efficiency. After these lumberjacks took down a colossal 200-year-old tree, it's time for the extreme dangerous monster stump removal excavator to show its might. With ease, it tackles the sturdy tree stump, leaving no trace behind. Simply mind-blowing.
Get ready to be wowed by the Rotney H21D Harvester, a powerhouse designed for ultimate efficiency in final felling operations. Built to thrive in dense forests, this harvester boasts impressive stability and robust power, ensuring optimal performance even in the toughest conditions. Equipped with a powerful diesel engine, this harvester generates high torque across all RPM ranges while remaining remarkably fuel efficient. Customers rave about its fuel economy, with consumption reported as low as 0.35 liters per sub. And here's the icing on the cake: requiring only a 2 to 3% mixture of AdBlue further enhances its efficiency, making the Rotney H21D a true game changer in the forestry industry.
The Skythos 737's acceleration off the runway is something you have to see to believe. No matter the ground, the Praga 5.3S shows it's the ultimate all-terrain conqueror. The 5170 fixed head design is a game changer, combining the best of two proven technologies, the TigerCat 570 harvesting head and the TigerCat 340-degree wrist. With its durable, high-performance features and a wrist float standard, it offers maximum dexterity and control for precise tree felling and feeding. Like all Husqvarna chainsaws, the 3120XP boasts superior power-to-weight ratio. With smart start and well-developed anti-vibration and ergonomic features, this large chainsaw is both easy to start and operate. The Ponce Ergo Harvester has earned its reputation on thinning and regeneration felling sites worldwide for its reliability and dependability. With a turning angle of 250 degrees and crane reach options of 8.6 meters, 10 meters, or 11 meters, it offers versatility for various forestry operations. Plus, the Ponce traction assistance winch ensures high productivity, especially in steep ground operations. It's a true workhorse in the forestry industry. Don't let its size fool you. This small tractor has been a huge help. A 100-year-old oak tree brought a 70-ton crane down after 2 days of branch cutting. Thankfully, no one was hurt. The weight of that old oak was truly underestimated. A massive truck crashes into a gravel trap at high speed. Dust, chaos, and screeching noises. But if you want to stop, a system like this ensures you can. That's no small assurance. Good job, fellas. Rolling over a bobcat, that's one way to get dirt out of those hard-to-reach areas on the floor. Really? Volvo Truck's rollover test with crash test dummies shows both the outside and inside perspective. The driver has their seatbelt on, but the passenger doesn't. In a real rollover, who would make it? Don't worry, it's all just a test with dummies. Everyone is safe. Captured by security cameras, a crane accident during tree cutting. Workers had to flee to stay safe. Fortunately, there were no injuries. Just around the bend, the road descends the mountain near where the truck stopped. Mountain road rescues in these conditions are extremely challenging. The driver managed to get out safely. Mastering the step-up maneuver in any condition highlights the unique skill of this excavator. That JCB operator's seriously heavy. Incredible. The tanker bravely tackles the river with the rising tide. Having teammates like this is a rare find. Don't take it for granted. Man, that was close. But he pulled off that wheelie so clean, you'd think it was all part of the plan. Oh no, no choice but to stand there and endure it. Sometimes, support is the driving force behind success. Going downhill isn't always as easy as it looks. Oh my God! Really? How much dirt do you think? With an invisible thread, they successfully pulled up the excavator. Can you believe it? They both look foolish. This truck is really struggling to handle such a massive load. Here I am, baby. Ready for action. Oh wow, they actually caught that big fish. That wheel is something else, isn't it? So unique. It looks like the boat is trying to hold him back. Job's done. Let me tow you back. Old Mack truck battling that slippery hill. It's amazing to see how it handles the challenge. You have to understand that it's not just the excavators that are good, but those who are in control of them. Congratulations to the professionals. The MiG-29 soaring just above the ground was absolutely mesmerizing. All that work gone in just a few beats. Dealing with this gooey situation is a real nightmare. Breaking free is no easy feat. Whoa, that John Deere 1470G is a beast. I've run a lot of harvesters, but this one takes the cake. That CH9 boom is incredibly precise, even with massive trees. The H425 head is a workhorse too, chewing through timber with ease. It's a perfect combo for high production logging. If you're looking for a machine that can handle anything you throw at it, this is the one.
I was blown away watching the lumberjack take down a 200-year-old tree. I loved how they carefully wrapped chains around it to prevent it from splitting because of all the rot in the middle. The tree was already dead before they cut it down.
Despite the driver's swift response, he couldn't turn things around. It's truly astonishing. The process was a bit rough, but this tractor still delivered excellent results. What a messy unloading job. He might want to go back to driving school. Witness the dramatic rescue of a Bournemouth digger, stuck in the sand. A real test of quick thinking and teamwork. "30 seconds of nail-biting action as a giant truck carefully crosses a narrow, adaptable bridge. Incredible job by the excavator. The 70-foot silo came down with perfect accuracy and skill.
According to oil, you can put it on YouTube.
Great work, driver. Your quick and confident actions made all the difference. He's the top driver. His skillful maneuvers got the truck over the notorious Nasty Hill, a challenge no one else has conquered yet. Here's the JCB loader in action, diligently working to clear a mountain road obstructed by a major landslide. Overturned truck on a winter road? No problem for the skilled recovery crew. Watch them in action. An excavator flipped in the lake, and the operator's swift exit was so clean, you'd think it wasn't his first rodeo. That delicate ribbon just couldn't handle the task. Even dismounting requires skill, but this bulldozer's exit was far from smooth. Biggest Mobile Cranes XCMG 1200 ton in action. The driver's finesse in maneuvering this colossus around the mountain bend is just amazing. The wheel loader operator shows off some serious talent, expertly loading logging timber into the truck.
Tabletop gaming.
This is skill at its finest. The driver's approach was a bit bulky, but they still managed to pull it off. Great effort in a tricky situation. Cold, icy rivers. This tractor treats them like playgrounds, effortlessly conquering every challenge. Unbelievable. The mini excavator was on the verge of tipping over, and it all seemed to be because of those shoes. Every day at the quarry is filled with danger, yet these workers seem totally unfazed by the heights. It's mind-blowing how accustomed they've become to the risks. The excavator is the ultimate gentle giant, always saving the day with a smile. This is called We Are From Same Family. We take care of each other. I confused who was more talented, the man standing or the pilot. Once it was hauled out, the tractor definitely lost its former glory. Setting up the cable over the swamp was no easy feat. Sometimes even the best efforts don't guarantee a successful rescue. A risky job made riskier by being so close to the cliff. Always prioritize safety. So this is the beast that helps workers swiftly demolish colossal structures. Incredible. The Menzimuck M545X proves that no task is too tough. Watching this operator at work is a masterclass in skill. Fall Line Ridge, you nailed it with this sweet gum log. That grain is stunning. I love that the LT10 is making sawmilling accessible to everyone. It's perfect for weekend warriors like me who want to turn those backyard logs into beautiful slabs. Sure, it's an entry-level mill, but the 160 board feet per hour capacity is plenty for most DIY projects. And with the bed extensions, the possibilities are endless. This video really showcases the power of modern sawmilling. The Bobcat T650 wheel loader is a workhorse, handling those massive logs with ease. But it's the sawmill itself that's truly impressive. The automated feeding and cutting process is incredibly efficient, minimizing waste and maximizing yield. And look at the precision of those cuts. That's some serious technology at work. He is very enthusiastic. Look at him. He is literally jumping in the air with joy. Incredible. That was a successful and daring drill. Great teamwork by the two loaders. Stay calm. What we need here is a professional driver and a perfect teammate to handle this situation. No problem, guys. Let's break through. Good luck to you. And remember, there is only one warrior in the field if it is a T40AM tractor. That went exactly as I thought it would. Exactly as pretty much everybody thought it would. The river crossing test for these Jeeps was intense, especially after their dramatic rescue. Talk about a dramatic workday. The Komatsu D65E bulldozer lost control and ended up in the water. Amazing teamwork by the Cat 320D and Komatsu D85P for the recovery. Amazing demonstration of Newton's first law of motion by the driver. The load maintained its speed until something else acted on it. Didn't think that would go so smoothly. 62 tons on a 40-ton dragnet, with no extended platform and sagging tracks under the insane overload. A crazy sight, only possible here. This LKT 81 Turbo is a beast when it comes to dragging logs through tough terrain. An insignificant lapse can sometimes lead to surprising and significant results. Oh my god, he wanted his bed off and he accomplished that. Looks like the Vladimir 25 has met its match with those massive straw bales. Can you believe it? With just a little help, he managed to handle it all on his own. This is what I call a part-time rescue victory. Security cameras captured the moment a parked car fell into a sinkhole in Ankara. The local community quickly reported the incident to the police and fire department. The car was eventually removed by the response teams. I have learned many things in my life as a driver. One of them is this: if you are stuck in the sand, then a shovel is your best friend, and digging a lot is useful.
Анатолий Чернов у нас тут в главной роли. Слазь с бульдозером. Проехали.
An exhilarating truck test saw the Mercedes-Benz 888 excel in every aspect. This vehicle truly demonstrated its impressive capabilities. don't forget to build up some speed before tackling the incline. And the road was immediately concreted. Not everyone has the guts to be in his position. This might just be the most common rookie mistake drivers make. This excavator is being super quirky. The Lugong 622 was buried deep in the mud and needed to be rescued. The team members tried their best to save it, but couldn't. It seemed there was no hope for the Lugong 622. Fortunately, the Cat 320D arrived, and everything started to become easier. Mission accomplished. Unbelievable near miss! Did the Royal Mail Truck avoid hitting the railway bridge by a hair? Just when the dump truck was about to unload, it ended up submerged. Looks like the excavator operator knew this wasn't going to end well. Oh no, it's incredibly tough to get out of this dumb situation. I can't believe they're caught like this. Consider this the victory lap for this tractor after a successful logging mission. It's okay, it's totally okay. I can't believe what I'm seeing. This excavator driver is out of his mind. This is the craziest stubbornness I've ever seen in a truck. The seamless way the bulldozer moves on the snow is a clear sign of the driver's experience and proficiency. When going forward is difficult, sometimes the easiest way is to turn around and go backward. Guess what brought that crane down? A sleepy moment, perhaps? Since these heroes take risks every day, they deserve salaries worthy of the danger they run. Great heroes indeed. Don't mess with water, brother. It is very powerful. An astonishing display of strength. Truly unbelievable power. Wow, the whole operation went as harmonizing as an Italian opera. Bravissimo Italia. A clear difference between a private owner and a mercenary. The road construction on an incline may be concrete, but it would be better if the surface was overlaid with a layer of hot mix asphalt to reduce slippery when exposed to rain. It seems like the driver thought their truck was small enough to fit this road.
Meu Deus do céu, cara, o cara não tem noção.
It's incredible how quickly this little powerhouse takes its step. A timely stop prevented a disaster. The ultimate tug of war, tractor versus human. Who's going to come out on top? Get ready to be blown away by the Rotney H11D harvester, a true force to be reckoned with in thinning and light final felling operations. Featuring a robust engine, hydrostatic transmission, and articulated frame joint, the Rotney H11D excels in navigating challenging terrains with unparalleled precision and efficiency. But that's not all. What truly makes it stand out is the exceptional operator experience it provides. Step into the Harvester cab and prepare to be amazed by the unmatched comfort and visibility it offers, ensuring operators can tackle any task with ease and confidence. Unleash the raw power of the Husqvarna 365 chainsaw. With its mighty 5.8 horsepower engine and a 28-inch saw blade, it offers unmatched agility and strength for handling large wood. You have to experience it to believe it.
Prepare to be awestruck by the 240 dangle tracked harvester, a marvel in its weight class, crafted with insights from forestry pros. Weighing 50,000 pounds, it effortlessly conquers steep hills and rugged terrain with a drawbar pull ratio exceeding 1.3 to 1. Featuring the Icon electro-hydraulic control system tailored for Barco machines, it grants operators unmatched precision and customization. With dual swing drive motors delivering continuous rotation and a staggering swing torque of 50,787 foot-pounds.
Introducing the refurbished Husqvarna Professional Chainsaw, the beloved 371 XP. This legendary chainsaw is a masterpiece of precision engineering and advanced technology. With an impressive length of up to 105 cm, it's crafted with meticulous attention to detail, delivering unmatched wood-cutting capabilities and unprecedented high performance.
The 959mm tracked harvester is a true workhorse. With its 246 kilobarn, 330 HP of power, and a long, wide undercarriage, stability is unmatched. Maintenance is a breeze with easily accessible components, and the optional rapid cycle system, RCS, adds versatility for operators. Plus, a 30% increase in cutting swath ensures maximum productivity. This machine is a game changer in forestry.
Introducing the BioJack 400 Combi, the ultimate forestry attachment for excavators, tailor-made for North American tasks. Priced at approximately 18,000 euros, this game-changing gear revolutionizes tree-clearing operations with its unparalleled efficiency and effectiveness. With the BioJack 400 Combi, cutting and handling trees has never been easier. Its innovative design empowers users to tackle forestry tasks with precision and speed, making it a must-have tool for any forestry operation. Say goodbye to traditional methods and hello to a new era of efficiency with the BioJack 400 Combi.
As oil and fuel costs soar, governments and industries are urgently seeking alternative energy sources. Wood chips have emerged as a promising option for power generation. Vermeer Forestry Equipment's WC2300 XL Whole Tree Chipper offers a powerful solution. With variable speed, dual in-feed conveyor chains, and smart crush technology, it handles materials efficiently, turning logs and slash into valuable end products. Plus, its easily replaceable wear parts make maintenance a breeze, making it both practical and cost-effective for wood chip production. Really impressed by the use of an excavator to remove a tree stump. The new Costa stump pullers, splitters for 16 to 28-ton excavators, are specially designed to handle even the toughest woods like eucalyptus.
Ultimately, those slender ropes couldn't bear the immense weight of the 40-ton crane. This is what you get when an excavator decides to play with a massive stone. Hard at work in a marble quarry, this Caterpillar Cat 988B loader proves that age is just a number. Listen to that engine roar.